Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Lesson 3. Always thank Allah. One day, Imam Sadiq alayhi was taking a walk when he came across a poor man sitting on the side of the street. The Imam was very thin and had sad eyes. He looked up and said,
"I am needy. Please help me."
When the Imam offered him some grapes, he stubbornly refused.
"I don't want grapes.
He complained, shaking his head.
I want money."
He moaned. He was so ungrateful. The Imam continued walking down the street until he came across another poor man, who cried out,
"O son of Prophet, I am needy. Please help me."
The Imam gave the man 3 grapes.
"Alhamdulillah. All thanks is for Allah,"
he said gratefully. After hearing the poor man's reply, the Imam gave him 2 handfuls of grapes.
"Alhamdulillah. All thanks is for Allah,"
said the poor man once again. The Imam was happy to see how grateful the man was, so he gave him a gold coin. The poor man took the coin in his hand and said more excitedly,
"Alhamdulillah. Thank you Allah for everything. All blessings come from you. There is no God except you."
Hearing this, the Imam gave him a bag full of gold coins.
"O son of Prophet, thank you so much."
"You are welcome,"
replied the Imam, noticing that this time there was no mention of Allah.
"I swear to Allah that if you had continued to thank Allah even until tomorrow, I would have given you all of my wealth."
If you are thankful for the blessings I give you, then I will give you more.
Whenever you eat or drink, say Alhamdulillah, all praise is for Allah.